Now we're going to try to do something with this hair. I purchased this 100% real hair ponytail clippy from Amazon. It came in this package. So you know what this green means? It means someone returned it. Anyway, that's okay. It's probably fine. I did kind of open it up and look at it, but I didn't get very far. So this is what the package looks like. Is that upside? And it's still in this. I did not open this. It comes with a hair scarf I'm probably not going to use. It comes with rubber band and clippies that I'm not going to use. And it comes with this little package. I can't really see. I don't have my glasses on, but I can look at the pictures. Let's see what that says. So it looks like it might have some instructions here. Okay, so this is the one I've got, the claw clip hair. It's just got her putting her hair in a ponytail and then clipping it on. So let's see what it looks like in here. Okay. It's pretty close to my hair color. Okay, what's this here? It's got some little wire things. Okay, it's got little wire things here. I wasn't expecting that. I didn't know what I expected. Maybe they said, I thought I got like a ponytail cliffy. So what it's got is it's short hair. It's got these wires with hair attached to them. It's not necessarily just a long thing of a ponytail. So anyway, we'll see. But you can see my real ponytail is kind of fuzzy. I don't guess it's that thin. So this would work if you didn't have much hair. And so this is kind of a different, not what I expected. That may have been the reason it was returned. They just thought it was just a ponytail. And so we got short hairs. And then we got some long things here going down. And the things attached it. I guess it'd probably be more expensive just to have long hair. So, and then it's attached to a jaw clip. Okay, let's see how this works. I might have to take off one of, is my hair hanging out? Let's take one of my, see, my hair's kind of fuzzy there. Let's take off one of these ponytail holders. Okay. Because I think it's going to be too thick for it to grab. I don't know. I don't think this looks any better than my own hair. But anyway, we'll see. We'll see what we can do. It looks a little longer, but the reason it's longer is because of these wire thingies. But it's supposed to be 100% real hair. And so I only spent like 20 bucks. So what do you expect, right? Okay. A lot of trial and error going on here. Let's just start over. I'm gonna pull my hair back in a ponytail. With a brown scrunchie or black or whatever you want. Or a rubber band, but I don't like rubber bands on my hair. Then I'm going to braid it because we've discovered that my real hair sticking out just looks like crap or crud. And then we're going to tie the end of this down with a smaller rubber band holder because the scrunchie is just not going to work. It shows through at the bottom. And really this kind of braided hair will just sort of blend in a little bit with the ends of that, since that's got a whole bunch of little ends on it. Look, and I tried to do a bun. It wouldn't go over a little bun. My hair was okay. Now I've got this coated ponytail holder. It's supposed to not hurt your hair, but I'm like, oh yeah, sure. Over my hair. Then this is what this thing looks like. It is nothing like the picture. I expected a ponytail with just plain hair, but this has got little stickies that go out with hair on them, and then the hair up at the top is short. My guess is all these have got short hair and they've bound them into the wires to look long. So I'm going to go ahead and try to stick this up. So it's really not a ponytail like we thought it was. It's not a bun either. It's, I don't know what you'd call it. Okay, so we've got these little octopus tentacles that are wiry and we can kind of bend around. But anyway, this is not what I was expecting, but it's okay. I can see why the person, whoever returned it. I've got my little ponytail kind of sticking to the back, but we're just going to leave it alone. Or my little braid. The ponytail was just frizzy and stuff, wasn't going to work. Okay, so this is the final look. Our cheek, our eye, and our hair. Tell me what you think about it in the comments below or at the side. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.